Hi and welcome to Outwell. Here we're going to talk you through how to attach any of the extensions for the Bear Lake tents and the Trout Lake tents from our classic collection. Obviously we're using the Bear Lake 6 here, which we have fully set up, so we're just going to talk you through the things that you have to do to the Bear Lakes before attaching the extensions. So what we're going to do is just take up the front storm guy lines, remove the pole to be used with the extension, and then we're also going to zip off the canopy at the front of the tent and take off our front guy lines on the tent itself. So just to reiterate that one pole is already set up in place because that was the pole that was being used on the canopy. So now we're just going to put the other pole together, and this is really easy because it's been short corded right the way through from one side to the other. So these just slot into position like so. So now we're just going to put the poles through the pole sleeves. We'll lift it up and then show you how to ring and pin them into place. Once both ringing pins are in, we're just going to tighten down the tensioner on both sides. Once that's done, what we're going to do is now just clip the poles onto the fly sheet. Now what we're going to do is just move the extension back, and we're going to take the rear piece of material that has a zip on it, and we're going to zip that onto the front zip on the front panel of the tent. Once we've pulled the extension over the front pole and zipped it into place, we're just going to take the Velcro tabs here and attach them to the poles of the tent. Now we're just going to pick the extension up and walk it forward. We're then going to take out the middle storm guy line and peg that into place. Once that's in place, what we're going to do is we're just going to start pegging from where the extension fits onto the tent, and that way we can then tighten it forward and peg it into position. So you've got the black plastic pegs for along the bottom here, and then we'll use the luminous pegs to take the wind stabilizers onto the frames and peg them out as well.